All right, it's July. It's challenge time. YTCCC 2021. This challenge was started in January of this year by Daniel Dubois of Woodturning Dubois. And this month's challenge is Ruth over at Butch and Braces. And she chose shrink. So that's what we're going to do. I've got a chunk of maple cap here, maple burl. And those of you that follow my channel, watch my channel sometimes, it's I turn a lot of burl bowls, live edge bowls, hollow forms, whatever. So we're going to make a small live edge bowl. We're going to get shrunked. So anyway, that being said, I got a couple of surprises somewhere along this video, so stick around, make sure you watch everything, and let's get this checked up and get our shrink on. So I'll be back once I get this thing spinning. So anyway, hang tight. I'll have a link to Ruth's channel down below and a card somewhere up here somewhere. So anyway, we're going to get this thing spinning. Alright, as you can see, that is pretty thin. So we're going to get this sanded up. Probably add some detail rings to the inside. And see about getting this thing sanded up and finished up. See what it looks like. It's going to look awesome. Right, that is sanded up to 320, and I don't know what kind of finish I want to put on it, so I'm going to step away for a minute, think about it, see what I come up with. Pretty cool little dish, man. So anyway, alright, thought about it, and I'm going to go ahead and hit it with some Danish oil. So here we go. If you're going to have a small live edge bowl, you need a small vase to go with it. We're shrinking stuff, right? So shrunk a vase. Didn't show it. This is myrtle wood, so I think we'll hit this with some Some oil as well. It's a beautiful thing. Isn't it cute? All right, there's my entry into the July Shrink Challenge for YTC CC 2021. It's from set forth by Ruth over at Butch and Braces. So great challenge, Ruth. So anyway, small live edge bowl. Then of course I showed you the guys the small vase go along with it. And as an extra bonus, hey, we did another one. So there you go. Pretty cool. Great challenge, Ruth. Thanks for that. So anyway, there it is. These are the two small vases are myrtle wood. This is maple burl. Anyway, have a good time doing it. Great challenge. I'll put links down to everything down in the description box. So check it out. Had fun doing it. July Shrink Challenge. There it is. Thanks, Ruth. I'm out.